You know that feeling, that itchy, scratchy throat, the postnasal drip? You all love my immunity remedies here on this channel. I'm Melissa, and here on this channel I offer holistic, affordable self-care remedies that you can do yourself at home. Subscribe and help me reach the 100,000 milestone by my 53rd birthday. Today we're going to make an elderberry syrup that is simple and affordable and that's loved the world over. This has antiviral and immunity boosting properties, and the thing I love about it the most is the way that it smells in your home when you're letting it just rest on the burner and do its magic. So you're going to start with your elderberries. And I'm gonna be making a half batch because after this, I'm gonna be filming a vertical video of it. So you can do a cup, but I'm gonna do half a cup of elderberries. Then you're gonna add 3 cups of water. I'm gonna add 1.5 cups to this because I'm halving this recipe. Tablespoon of fresh ginger. 1 teaspoon of cloves. 1 cinnamon stick. Then you're going to bring this to a boil and then turn it down and let it simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Our elderberry syrup has been simmering for an hour and now we're ready to strain it. So I'm going to take it off the burner. This helps it not to spill. This is what we're going to use to strain it. I'm going to pour it in here. Remember, I only did half a cup. You're going to have a cup. Then you're going to add equal parts honey. I'm going to add about half a cup here. You're going to add a cup. Let's put our label on it with the date so we know when we made it. We're gonna keep it in the fridge. You can take a tablespoon of this once a day or 2 to 3 times a day if you have a cold. I'm gonna try it right now. I don't like how I'm holding my spoon. Why am I holding my spoon like this? That's delicious. I'm Melissa, and here on this channel I offer you holistic, practical, and affordable tips for home remedies like elderberry syrup. Subscribe and help me get to 100,000 subscribers by my 53rd birthday.